Hi, I'm Andy from Howard's in Yeovil, and I'm going to show you around this 208 style. So this car comes with a lovely panoramic glass roof. You also get 15-inch alloy wheels, tinted rear windows, reverse parking sensors. Now inside the car you've got the 7-inch touchscreen that features DAB digital radio and Bluetooth. But on top of this you get air conditioning, cruise control, and the car is only £20 a year to tax. So let's have a look around. The car comes with a 1.2 litre PureTech engine that gives you 82 horsepower. The car's done under 33,500 miles, and if it's of interest to you, then please get in contact with us at Howard's Used Car Centre in Yeovil. Thank you.